Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong sinigang na fish lapu-lapu. Meron pa itong carrots, kalabasa at litos. Hugasan natin ng maigi ang ating fish, fresh lapu-lapu. Magpapakulo tayo ng ating water para sa ating sabaw. Magad tayo ng lemongrass, maraming kamatis, loya, sibuyas at konting bawang. Meron pa itong 5 pirasong cloves, kaunting green chili, at pag mabago na or lumabas ang aroma ng ating sabaw, mag-add tayo ng ating carrots at kalabasa. Mag-add tayo ng ating salt and pepper to taste at antayin nating maluto ang ating carrots and kalabasa, at pag malambot na, i-add natin ang ating fresh big fish lapu-lapu. Isabay na rin natin ang ating carrots para sabay-sabay na itong maluto. Mag-add tayo ng ating sinigang mix. Napakasarap nito guys. Pag naluto ng ating carrots, ilagay natin ang ating litos. Last natin ilagay ang ating litos kasi madali lang ito maluto. Luto ng ating masarap, malinamnam na sinigang na fish lapu-lapu. For cold drinks, meron tayong shake, tamar, mango, and assorted nuts shake. So yung ating tamar or dates. Meron pa tayong oats, good for the heart, milk, yung ating slice of mango. Masarap ito guys at superfood pa. Mineral water, ibilibin lang natin ito guys, at meron tayong napakasarap na shake. Superfood and so healthy pa ito. Gawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong onion tea with lemongrass and green tea, slice of onion, konting loya, konting bawang, 5 pirasong cloves, ground pepper, yung ating lemongrass. Papakuli lang natin ito guys. Nag-add pa tayo ng ating turmeric powder at yung ating green tea. Food is ready for masarap na breakfast and healthy pa ito. For main dish, yung ating sinigang na fish lapu-lapu with kalabasa and carrots, and meron pa itong litos. Hot drinks, yung ating onion tea with lemongrass and green tea. Cold drinks, tamar or dates, mango with assorted nuts. Napaka-healthy ng ating cold drinks. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, and you can also subscribe too. Kain tayo guys. Let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching.